Looking for a faster and easier way to write a polished course syllabus? Meet the Syllabus Generator, your go-to AI tool for organizing and sharing your course details. Whether you're planning for ELA, math, science, or any other subject area, this tool helps you build a clear, comprehensive syllabus. Let's walk through how to use the Syllabus Generator. If you have files, such as schedules or documents that you'd like to include or reference, you can upload them directly into the section where they belong. Otherwise, simply enter the information into the provided text boxes. Start by selecting the grade level of your course. Then enter the subject area. Next, provide a brief course description to give an overview of what students will learn. In the next box, list the course objectives and standards that your course will address. Be as specific as possible to help the AI create an accurate syllabus. Then map out your course outline. You can type it in, paste it from another document, or upload a file. If you have a list of key readings readily available, you can add it to the optional included reading section. If not, skip to the required materials box and add in any materials that are vital for your students' success in your class. Then outline your grading policy so that students understand how they will be evaluated. Include your classroom policies such as behavior expectations or late work guidelines. In the communication section, share your contact information and availability so that families and students know how and when to reach you. Finally, include any extra details such as your technology policy in the additional information section. Once everything's in, click Generate and your draft syllabus will be ready in just seconds, organized, complete, and ready for review. Make any final edits and share your syllabus digitally or in print. If needed, you can also use HMH Assist to translate and adjust the tone of your syllabus. Crafting a syllabus has never been easier with our Syllabus Generator.